The topic of the workshop was create a 6 visual for Instagram as a little motion, but with different rule of the game. Every student need to represent an Indian expression, like teasing. You need to make a visual, and at the final of the 6 visual, the expression appear, and public can make sense with the visual and the expression, of course. But other rule of the game, it was to use just abstraction. For that, we're beginning to show to the student a big slide with all of the story of the relationship with abstraction and graphic design during all of the 20th century and the 21 too. So I propose to the student to use whatever you want and to try to make several research using several mediums. Not use computer at the beginning, but using photography, painting, playing with shadows, playing with whatever you want. And I was really happy about that because so many students were using really experimental research for finalize this work. So, for example, we have a lot of micro photography, playing with the light, playing with a mirror. Students create a real kaleidoscope to create personal images. So the direction was really amazing proposition. And now we beginning with the student to put the images in the world, and we have a really incredible result. So a little motions in 6 images. I'm really happy about her.